Hey guys, what's up? It's Dusty here, back with another crypto video, and today I have quite a lot of stuff to tell you guys. As you can see, I have a lot of articles open. Now guys, make sure that you go ahead and press the like button right now because we're actually doing a $50 giveaway. If this video can get 300 likes within 24 hours, we are giving away $50 worth of crypto, and what you have to do to enter is just pressing the like button on the video and make sure you have a comment placed down below. That is it. Then you can be picked if we hit those likes. Also, don't forget to check out my second channel called Dusty Finance, and make sure you check out the Crypto Traders group on Facebook. Now, China is launching a cryptocurrency after all. This was really trending around the realms for quite a while as, according to Al Jazeera, the People's Bank of China is close to issuing its own cryptocurrency, according to a senior official. The bank's researchers have been working intensively since last year to develop systems, and the cryptocurrency is close to being out. Mu Changchun, deputy director of PBOC, which is People's Bank of China, payments department, said at an event held by China Finance 40 Forum over the weekend in Yichun, Heilongjiang, and he didn't give specifics on the timing. So yes, we saw a big discussion between China, US, and Libra going on, and even India as well, about which country was going to issue what to make sure that they're not left out, and so Libra doesn't take all the cake everywhere. And China was really kind of focusing on bringing their own stuff out now because Libra was showing too much dominancy, and they didn't like it being from the United States. They didn't like it being so dominant. They didn't want to have it, and so they've been working on it for quite a long while. It might be that some of the banks like JP Morgan and stuff gave them some hope and some more push in their back, but really, it happened. It's all happening. It's going quickly. Chainlink dump erases $600 million in market value. I don't know. I have not covered Chainlink in a very, very long time, but I actually noticed that a lot of you guys are into Link. So let me know down below if you actually hold any Link, and if you're not, or if you are, make sure you press the like button right now. Well, but Chainlink market value evaporated. 4chan media blitz inspires FOMO. Ripple Labs similarities and Chainlink suspicious price action. So roughly $600 million in market value of Link tokens has been raised after a serious bulk sales trigger in July. So it was actually already a little while ago, but they just report on it now. Following a 4chan media blitz conducted by the Chainlink development team, valuations have fallen by nearly 60% after reaching highs above 4.8 cents on June 29th. So I actually did not, or $4.8 on June 29th. I actually did not know that Link was doing good. Like, I didn't even know what Link was, didn't even know what it was about. But 4chan Media Blitz FOMO, let's quickly read that part. So, for months now, 4chan could easily be mistaken for /Chainlink, leading one to dismiss the project. The astronomical recent rise is about 10 times in a couple of weeks, would also lead one to just call it a 4chan pump, but is there actually something there? And now, again, we can kind of cover what Chainlink does in the literal sense, but here what they say is, shortly thereafter, July 6th, the Chainlink development team issued a statement that should have been viewed as an ominous warning signal for any crypto investor. We do sincerely appreciate our community's continued support and understanding as we expand the number of people working on Chainlink, but we will of course do our best to ensure that our expansion plans are accomplishable responsibly, carefully managing the company's resources, capital, and Link. Now, there's a lot of questions about what Link really is, why it's so popular, why it's so booming, and also on the contrary, of course, why it went down so hard straight afterwards. A lot of people are calling it a pump and dump. A lot of people are calling it a XRP ripoff, something like that. I've seen it a couple of times on the internet now, but still, I personally am too afraid to invest into this coin. So what they're saying about being a Ripple Labs similarity, so why they say XP ripoff is because of some of the patterns. The Chainlink story sounds eerily similar to events that unfolded at XRP, where another series of unfortunate market practices led to significant loss for investors. Ripple Labs systematically dumped on average 2.4 billion XRP tokens each year, starting 2014, when many coins in the crypto market saw declines of 90+% during the bear market periods. XRP valuations plummeted by roughly 88%, so again, that's why I find it completely stupid. Ripple Labs systematically dumped on average of 2.4 billion XRP each year. They just dump it out of nowhere. That's of course not how it happens, we know that. Despite the massive losses felt by investors, Ripple Labs still managed to bank incredible profits of more than $530 million. Whatever, guys. Let's just skip that part then, I guess. They don't want to tell you. Bitcoin drops down to 10,740. This is already a couple of days ago. Right now, we're way down lower than that. But here they actually said that the downtrend had begun. Bitcoin down more than 5%, but this is not the end of the downtrend. 8.4K coming as analyst says gap will be filled. Monero and Cardano lead the top crypto losses. Bitcoin dominance fell below 70 again. One thing I should add is that there's a big bet going on now that Bitcoin will still fall below $8,000 before September. A lot of people are hoping for that to happen as well. So again, we should not lose focus. Tether's trading volume suggests Bitcoin could surge to $20,000, exactly the opposite of the previous article that we just read. Cointelegraph have published some stats about Bitcoin that suggest there is a correlation between the increasing Tether trading volume and Bitcoin's more recent price hikes. Bitcoin is consolidating near 11,800, a resistance formed in Q1 2018. After bouncing off the double bottom at 9,500, this level now serves a strong weekly support, and Philb believes consolidation below resistance is a bullish indicator. A break above 14,000 also represents a new 2019 all-time high, and the new events surrounding this event could lead to an influx of capital from investors of various ilk. In combination, these factors make a strong bullish case for Bitcoin price in the run-up to the May 2020 halving. Again, could be, could also not be. We don't know yet. All we know is it's looking juicy. Disgruntled investor appeals to the US SEC guidelines in class action lawsuit against Ripple. This is not 1 hour ago. It's actually already a day or so ago. But I just want to quickly mention again for all the people that missed out on it. Yes, people are again putting some words on Ripple. They're trying to put them into the ground just once more with yet another piece of the lawsuit being pushed, so to speak. So they're looking at the SEC guidelines and trying to make Ripple and XRP look like bad guys again, where XRP is supposed to be the security, and they're doing it again and again and again. And they've been trying for a long time, but yet again, they're trying to push it. Ripple's XRP current price decline, this could be the reason. Now, a part of what they're saying here is, of course, BXC Exchange, which we covered just a little while ago. And most of what I think they're meaning to say is just the price and how it moves with price analysis. Real reasons they don't give it all. But what I find is a pretty big catalyst for the price decline is just how Bitcoin does it, right? Piece by piece, it's how it's connected. It's just how it works. It is how it will work. It is what you should expect. It's what you should go out from. It's what you should analyze, even though it's not financial advice. But make sure you press the like button right now. I'm still really quite convinced that Bitcoin is the major move maker, and coins like XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin are just following the coin. It's pretty obvious to see on any chart even, you know. There might be some outliers like plus 9% here while Bitcoin is plus 4%. Like, oh, they're doing better, wow. Or minus a good amount even though Bitcoin is plus. But in the general sense, if you look at the weekly chart here, for example, or the monthly, they look quite similar. It's just almost always that way. It just happens. Top 3 price prediction: Bitcoin, Ripple, Ethereum. Cryptos at critical levels after altcoins is bullish catching up. Confluence detector. Altcoins have gained ground and caught up with Bitcoin. All top 3 cryptocurrencies are at critical technical levels and could go both ways. Here are new levels to watch according to Confluence Detector. Those levels that they mentioned there are down, down, down. They're actually saying that the prices are going to be going down. That's what they expect. That's what they are trying to see, or what they're seeing right there. Whatever, y'all. Whatever. All right? We saw that we turned around towards the bottom right now, not towards the top. So I'm already not too happy with the price movement, even though, as I said before, any price movement is gains for us. As if the price goes down, we buy more. If the price goes up, we get those gains. XRP price analysis and prediction for August 13th. Ripple MoneyGram will beat Libra by Facebook. Period. Do I even have to tell you guys more? We know this for a fact. It's a given that Facebook's Libra is most likely going to fail. You know, honest with y'all right there, I don't think it will really reach out that far. There is just so much uncertainty. There's so much FUD. There's so many regulatory things that do not work out yet. They've tried to step up above their game. And I'm thinking now they wanna push it through. They wanna keep it going, but it's going to be so difficult for it to get them out there. It's so difficult, so expensive, such a big hassle, and maybe they're just doing it to grab a name for themselves even more than they already have. You know, they just want to have Facebook in the news for a couple more weeks, but I think it's just going to be so much bad news. Stock prices might fall a little bit from it, and Facebook's just going to be like, man, this ain't worth it. And even if they continue, they're so far behind some of the other companies, and in this case, Ripple, yeah, they ain't catching up. XRP, nah. I just don't even have to bother talking about that. Last but not least, XRP price charts first death cross since April 2018. I actually thought this video might get demonetized if you have, such a title or you speak it out loud, but on the contrary, it's in trading. It's talking about charts, man. So if they really demonetize such a thing for having it in there, it's kind of strange. Shouldn't it be? But yeah, what I find cool, what I find not cool about this is they're expecting price to go down. What I find cool is they predicted quite right. What I find not so cool is that the price actually went down. Most of the time when they predict this type of stuff, they're just plain wrong. But right now we're at 26.8 cents. So all the people who bet on XP going down, y'all right. And I don't know what the 2018 all-time or 2018 lowest point is, but I definitely think we're quite close to it right now. It's either 25, 26, or 28 cents. And over a general period of time here, over every year that Ripple has been, or XP has been into existence, the lowest point that, it has always been increasing year upon year. And this might be the first year now that it's actually going down lower than the lowest point of the previous year. Here, it was 26.5 at least. It might be one lower point somewhere within the year, maybe 25 point some. But we know it's 26 at least. It could be that we're just above it still, if this is not the lowest price. If it is, we might have a little bit of a problem because we're just lower than we were a year ago, and that's when some analysts might start to take offense about the whole situation. But yeah, for right now, I'm pretty happy with all these coins, guys. Price-wise, not too good. But hey, guys, thank you all for watching this video. Hopefully you all enjoyed, and if you did, make sure you press the like button. I'll see you guys again in another crypto video. Take care, everybody, and press the like button right now.